Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Bitmart account. So watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Bitmart application in order to log out of it. Now, from the main homepage of Bitmart, tap on the human icon at the top left-hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on your email address or your ID at the top, and at the very bottom on the next page, you'll be able to see a sign out button. Tap on sign out and confirm signing out by tapping on confirm in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out of your Bitmart account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.